The rounds of the soul, 15th round in the divine will, the baptism of Jesus. My heavenly and greatest love, I hasten my step to follow you so that time may not interrupt me from accompanying you in everything. I see that you are now about to go into the desert and, pressing your mother tightly to your heart that convulses with love, you say to her, "For now I must say goodbye, dear mother, as I must go, to accomplish the will of my Father. I leave you my divine fiat as your abiding help and life, for it shall keep us continuously united and empower you to experience everything I do. Although we will be far apart, my will shall reveal to you everything your Son does so that you may accompany me in everything. It will keep you so united to me that we will experience everything as one. Jesus, my life, take me by the hand and bring me with you, for I don't want to let the slightest thing you do escape my, I love you, which seeks to enclose everything you do and ask you for the kingdom of your divine will on earth. And I follow you, step by step, as you walk alone and offer you my, I love you, I adore you, I bless you and I thank you. In every breath you take, may you inhale my, I love you, within my, I love you, I enclose every word you utter. With my own gaze I comfort every gaze you take. As you reach the Jordan, I make my, I love you, flow within its waters, in such a way that as St. John, the Baptist, pours these waters out over you in baptism, you may feel the company of your little daughters, I love you, who will never leave you. In these waters I implore on behalf of all souls the baptismal waters of your divine will and the beginning of its kingdom on earth. My love, in this solemn act of your baptism, by water, I ask you for a grace I am certain you won't deny me. I ask you, through the life-giving and creative waters of your divine will, to purify with your holy hands my little soul, in such a way that I may hear nothing, see nothing and know nothing apart from the life of your divine fiat. Ah, yes, I beseech you to transform my entire being into one single act of your divine will. O Jesus, my sweet love, allow me to follow you into the desert where, in solitude, my, I love you, will never abandon you. I will remain at your side day and night in this desert where souls have deserted you, to console you when you are afflicted and tired, praying and groaning with love for souls, and weeping over their rejection of your divine will. You experience profound sorrow, not only because your divine will does not reign in souls, but because they have banished it into exile. Whence your most sacred humanity mourns and implores on behalf of the entire human family the reconciliation of the divine with the human will. Your human will calls out to your divine will to reign in all of human nature, while your divine will forgives souls for the long exile in which they have kept it. O my Jesus, I fuse myself to your tears, prayers and the yearnings of your ardent heart, and I make them my own. I interlace everything you experience in this desert with my, I love you, to form my sweet chains of love that, adorning your entire divine person with many ringlets, compel you to grant me the kingdom of your divine will on earth. Jesus, my life, listen to my prayers, as they are bound as one to your very heartbeats, sighs, tears, prayers and sufferings that long for and invoke the kingdom of your fiat. If you won't listen to me, then listen at least to your own pleas, so that when you return from the desert, you may promise me, ah, yes, soon the kingdom of my will shall come to earth. O my Jesus, heart of my heart, I see that you hasten your step to leave the desert. You pass by the Jordan again to cast another loving glance upon beloved John, the Baptist, and pour into his heart torrents of love and grace. In haste you arrive at the house of Nazareth, where the love of your heavenly mother incessantly calls you. What a touching sight to see! You and your mother throw yourselves into each other's arms and, fused together, form one sole love. On account of your absence, the heavenly Queen ardently longed to see her Son. Her motherly heart was burning with love and longed to pour it out into her Son to receive in exchange from you the dew of your love, and not be consumed by the loving flames that devoured her. And you too, Jesus, my heavenly Savior, felt a yearning desire for the love of your mother, and for this reason you ran into her arms, to give and to receive love. And I, with the little flame of my, I love you, share in your chaste embraces, in your outpourings of love and in the ardent fire of the mother and son's love to implore the kingdom of your will, on earth. Holy Mother, may you repeat and pray together with me, may the divine will be made known and reign on earth as in heaven. And while you and your Son find solace in each other's love and are uplifted, you also dispose yourselves to be deprived on one another for longer periods of time. And it is not long, Jesus, who are unsurmountable in love, before you are again walking on the path to begin your public life, whence you convey to the heart of your mother the heartache you experience. And again you depart all alone to share your word with the people, to form disciples and proclaim the Holy Gospel.